So guys, my channel is not making money, and I want to show you in this video how much money it's making, why it's not making money, and how I'm gonna fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this one we're gonna talk about my YouTube channel because I'm actually gonna show you inside my analytics. I want to show you the average day by day, how much money I'm making per day. So you can see that I'm not really making any money, even though I have close to 60,000 subscribers on this channel. And I appreciate every single one of you who hit that little subscribe button below and decided to watch some of my videos. But this is a clear example that having a lot of subscribers on YouTube doesn't really translate into making a lot of money from YouTube. If you really want to make money on YouTube, you really cannot rely on just building this huge channel with a lot of subscribers hoping that you're going to be able to make a lot of money. So let me give you a little context. I've been posting on YouTube every single week for the past 3 years. It has taken me a lot of time to build my channel up to 60,000 subscribers, and I'm hoping next year I'm able to reach 100,000 subscribers, and I have a plan to do that. But as you'll be able to see in this video, having a lot of subscribers doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be able to make a ton of money, because in the end it's all about the views, it's all about the RPM for your channel. And basically, if you're not able to get views, even if you have, let's say, 1 million subscribers but you're only getting like 10,000 views per video, that really is not going to make a difference in your income, and most likely you're going to be a broke YouTuber. So I'm going to share with you exactly how much money I've made last month and how much money I'm making on average on a day-by-day basis. So with that in mind, let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so we're inside my YouTube Creator Studio, and I've selected the month of November so I can show you the total amount that I made last month. So here it is, $1,020, and as you can see, that's 5% down from last month. I'm going to show you on a month-by-month basis. But let me show you this. This is the average for the month of November. As you can see, on average, $30-something per day. Not really an impressive amount, but it's basically so I can show you that even though I have close to 60,000 subscribers on this channel, some days I'm able to make close to $50. Some days I'm making only $30 per day, and the RPM, which is the revenue per 1,000 views, for my channel is about $8.31. So this makes a huge difference. Some channels have a higher RPM, so if I'm able to raise this to, let's say, $20, even if I'm getting less views, I'll be able to make more money at the end of the month. So let me show you this. What I rely most for when it comes to views is not getting suggested, but mostly being able to rank my videos on YouTube. One of the main things that I really like to do is to rank my videos. Let me show you this. I'm going to show you the search positions for my latest video, and as you can see, this run, by the way, this is a feature by TubeBuddy, and I'm going to put a link in the description below so you guys can go and download it. It's a free tool that you can download. You can pay for a premium version if you want. It's a really helpful tool that allows you to track your videos over time and show you whether or not they're ranking on YouTube, and a lot of different stuff that you can do to help you optimize your videos. How to get 100 followers on Facebook. At second spot on YouTube. This one, get Facebook followers. Third spot on YouTube. So this is gonna change over the next few weeks because it always does. So I have videos that I have ranked on the first page of YouTube for weeks. Other videos have never ranked on the first page of YouTube. So this can bring views on a monthly basis depending on where my videos are ranking. But overall, you can see that I'm not making a ton of money from my channel. And I'm gonna go to overview here. As you can see, I have 59,256 subscribers as of making this video. So I would really appreciate you guys if you're watching one of my videos for the first time and you want to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it to help me get to 60,000. And as you can see, that was the month of November with 122,000 views. And some months I've been able to get more views, other months not so much. But basically, I want to be able in 2022 to increase my average view count, let's say my average monthly views, to over 200,000 or even 300,000. So as you can see, November 1,020 and 1,076. So not a huge difference when it comes to the amount of money that I made, but I had higher months. Like for example, in April, $1,500, and as you can see, $1,500 in March of 2021. And my highest month in 2020 was almost $1,700. So I want to get to an average of at least $100 per day, and I'm going to explain to you guys how I'm planning to do that. So as you can see, I'm not really making a ton of money from YouTube ads, guys. But however, my channel is still making me good money from affiliate marketing. I'm also having some sales on a daily basis from my courses. So it's not really relying on YouTube ads to be able to make money. But of course, the more views I get, the more money I make from YouTube ads. So in 2022, what I'm planning to do is basically do one of the following. Number one, posting more videos on a weekly basis. So I've been posting consistently over the last 8 or 9 months, at least one video per week. But I know that if I start posting a little bit more, maybe twice or 3 times per week, my RPM is gonna go up, my views are gonna go up, and my subscribers are gonna go up as well. The second thing that I can do is to focus more on topics for my videos that have a higher RPM. If you check on your YouTube analytics, every single video has an RPM, and you can actually see how much money you can make for every 1,000 views on each video. So by me making a list of all my videos, tracking the RPM, I can kind of figure it out what are the topics that have a higher RPM, and I can make videos on those topics, and basically allowing me to increase my RPM and make more money for every 1,000 views. And number 3, as you can see, ranking on YouTube plays a huge part in terms of consistent views on a monthly basis. So if I'm able to rank more videos on the first page of YouTube for topics that people might be searching for on a weekly or monthly basis, that is gonna help me get consistent views, not just rely on whether YouTube is suggesting my videos or not. So I will continue to do that, and I will continue to use TubeBuddy as a way to research and find those keywords and optimize my videos in a way that allows me to rank on YouTube. So I'm not gonna stop doing that, but as you can see, when those videos die down in a couple months, some videos might stay ranking on the first page of YouTube for months. Guys, we all know that YouTube is a very competitive space, so you cannot expect to rank a video on the first spot of YouTube and just expect that video to be there for the next 10 years. There's new YouTubers coming up every single month, new videos being uploaded daily. So what you can do is basically continue to go for different keywords, try to do your best to rank for multiple keywords on YouTube, and hopefully, if you're able to stay there for a few months, you can gain some of those views and turn some of those views into new subscribers. So that's basically my plan for 2022, to apply these 3 things to try to get to $100 per day or more with my channel in 2022. I will continue to post on a weekly basis, and I will probably increase my posting schedule, meaning that I'll be posting more videos on a weekly basis and targeting more keywords and doing my best to try to reach 100,000 subscribers. And my goal for 2022 is to have this channel made at least $100, $200 per day. And that is just from YouTube ads, not counting my courses or affiliate marketing. So if you want to be a part of this journey in 2022, maybe you want to see whether I'm able to do it or not, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I would really appreciate it if you do, because like I said, I'll be tracking everything and making sure that I share all that information with you guys. You'll be able to see my progress in 2022. With that said, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like I said, I'll be posting videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in my next video.